Hello and welcome to my review and unboxing of the BENYAR BY5179M. Today we are going to be taking a closer look at this stunning timepiece. This user manual, warranty card, first thing you notice about this watch is thick design. The polished stainless steel case is perfectly complemented by the elegant steel strap. The watch also water resistance up to 100 meters and has a scratch resistance hardlex crystal that protects the face of the watch. The watch face is a beautiful combination of modern and classic design element. The hands and indices are easy to read and perfectly illuminated. The watch also has a second hand which adds a touch of sophistication to the design. Let's take a closer look at the watch movement. It comes with a G3265Z automatic Chinese movement. Transparent back case shows its hairs very clearly. The G3265Z movement is a high quality automatic movement that ensures precise timekeeping. The watch has a power reserve of 40 hours. Some specifications. Overall, I am incredibly impressed with this watch. It's the perfect combination of style and functionality, and it's sure to be a great addition to anyone's watch collection. That's it for my review and unboxing of BENYAR BY5179M. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.